Mexican paneer burrito is a delicious fusion dish that combines the flavor of Mexico with the creaminess of Indian paneer. This fusion dish is perfect for those who love experimenting with new flavors and texture. Well, you might think it is a long procedure at first glance, but trust me, it's actually super easy. One of the reason it is so straightforward recipe is that almost similar ingredients are used in each step. So basically, when you take time to chop and crush tomatoes, onions and garlic, every step becomes super easy. And the effort you put in this recipe will pay off in the end. One of the best part of making burritos for dinner is the convenience it provides for the next day meal. Prepare all the ingredients, store them in the fridge, and then assemble a delicious wrap in just few minutes the next morning. That's exactly what I do for my son's lunchbox. I prep the filling, veggies, the sauces at night before, and in the morning I simply assemble the wrap, grill it to perfection, and pack it in his lunchbox. It is perfect for your office tiffin box also. It's a delicacy that he looks forward. And you know, it is not only convenient for me, but it also ensures that my son gets a healthy and tasty meal to take to school. And let's be honest, as a parent, there is no great joy than seeing our kids enjoying their favorite food that we have prepared. Right? I know you are agree with me. The salsa that accompanies it is a breeze to prepare, and the yogurt dip is a versatile condiment that pairs perfectly with any wrap or roll. Now that we have all the components ready, let's assemble our snack. For this, I am using store-bought tortillas, but feel free to use roti or chapati if you prefer. Just make sure it's big enough to hold all the fillings. The key is to have fun and be creative with your ingredients. Wrapping burritos. I know many of you might already be pros at this, but for those who are still learning, don't worry, I have got you covered. Wrapping burritos can seem difficult at first, but trust me, it's super easy once you get the hang of it. Tuck the corner inside and you see how easy it is. Now that our burrito is wrapped, it's time to grill it to perfection. Place it on griddle or on flat tawa and cook it until it crisp and golden brown. Look at that, it's perfectly grilled. Just drizzle some more sauce and enjoy all the flavors together. Follow and subscribe for more.